Good morning, student. In today class, we are going to discuss the risk versus CISC. So, in a previous lecture, we discussed about the what is risk, what is CISC. Now, in this lecture, we are discussing the risk versus CISC. What is the difference between both of this? So, for mentioning the difference between the risk and CISC, I am just taking one example. So, here you can see this is one memory unit, this is your register, and this is your execution unit. Okay, so to access this particular block of the memory, what we have to write it 1 comma 1. Okay, so if I am writing 1 comma 1, I am accessing this particular block. If I wanted to access this block, I am writing 1 comma 2. Okay, if I wanted to access this one, I can write 2 comma 1. So in this way I can access the memory. Okay, so here I am going to explain what is the difference between the RISC and CISC architecture and how the processor will perform the program inside the RISC and CISC architecture. So to explain this thing in a better way, I am taking one example, multiplying a 2 8-bit number using RISC or CISC. Assume it I am multiplying if using CISC architecture. So for in a CISC architecture, I am having this instruction multi 2 colon 3 and 5 colon 2. This is the memory location. This is the memory location and this is also the memory location. So these two memory location contain the two data. So while writing this instruction, I am multiplying these two data which contained by this location. Okay, in the RISC architecture, if I wanted to perform the same program using RISC architecture, so first I have to load the value in one register. So by this instruction, I am loading the value from this memory location to register, and by this instruction I am loading this particular value in B register. Then I am multiplying this thing A comma B, then I am storing the result into this particular location. So you can see that thing. Via CISC architecture, I am performing the same operation via one instruction. In a RISC architecture, I am performing the same operation while using a 4 instruction. So this is the basic difference between the RISC and CISC architecture. Now we are going to see that comparison table between the RISC and CISC architecture. So first difference between the RISC and CISC as per their name. So RISC is nothing but a reduced instruction set computer. CISC is nothing but a complex set instruction computer. Basically in the RISC, we are talking about the efficiency in terms of the clock cycle per instruction. It means in a one clock cycle, one instruction will be executed in a RISC architecture. Here we are talking about the process efficiency of the processor in terms of program, means in instruction per program, means how many cycles required to execute a one particular program. So it can be vary. Okay, here in the RISC architecture, we already knows basically it's having a large line of code, so we required the more RAM. Here we required the less line of code, that's why required less RAM. Of course in the RISC architecture we have a more code size, here we have a less code size. Basically in the RISC architecture we are emphasizing on the software part, here we are emphasizing on the hardware part. In the RISC architecture, we already seen in the previous example, it accessed by a register. You already seen na, we are just product of the two particular register while loading the value in register A and B, and it access directly memory. We already seen this thing in the example. Here programming is not simple because we have to write a lots of instructions. Here programming is very simple. Here we required more number of register to perform the program. Here we require the less number of register because programming performed between the directly in the memory. Okay, here we require the same instruction set with few formats, means we have a instruction format which is the applicable for every program. Here we have a multiple instruction set with different format, so here instruction format always vary. Here we require less operating mode, less addressing mode. Here we require more addressing modes. Okay, here we are talking about the RISC architecture is basically emphasized on the software. So of course here the compiler having a high burden, means the complexity in the compiler is increased. Here we are saying we are using a micro program. So here the micro program can be a complex. Here to load and store we are using register to register memory IO in the instruction. Here we are using load and store for memory to memory in instruction. Here pipeline is easy. Here pipeline is easy, and in the CISC architecture, pipeline is very difficult. Pipeline is nothing but when we are transferring the particular data in a queue, like 21, 22, 23. So these all are in a queue. So basically once the processor is executing this particular part, this all things comes in a queue. So that is basically called the pipeline. Okay. In the next, of course, RISC architecture we are getting a high speed, and in the CISC architecture we are getting a less speed. Okay, because here the complex instruction, here the reduced instructions. Here control signal is generated by the external hardware circuit, and in the CISC architecture control signal is generated by the internal hardware circuit. It is designed ISA. ISA is nothing but a instruction set architecture. So it redesigned instruction set architecture means already some instruction is designed, but here in RISC we redesign the instruction set. This is the original microprocessor instruction set architecture. This is basically, this is the software centric design, because compiler take burden of the program. This is the hardware centric design. So here the hardware circuit have a move burden. In RISC we have a multiple register set, like more than 256 register. Here we have a single register set, usually 6 to 16 registers. Okay, here we are using 3 operands in the register. For example, if I writing add r1 comma r2 comma r3, so I am using a 3 operand in this instruction. Here I am using 2 operand with the instructions. That is the difference. Here complexity in the compiler, here complexity in microprogram. Here we required more transistor on memory, and here we require transistor used for storing the complex instruction. This particular is architecture applicable in smartphone and iPod, and this is applicable in the desktop and laptop. So these are the basic difference between the RISC and CISC architecture. Thank you.